Class 10th Mathematics, Ratio and Proportion. Exercise 1. मैं प्रसाद सर. Today I will start your exercise number 1 of ratio and proportion. So see the exercise. The first question. In a cricket match, batsman Dhirendra scores 19 runs in 25 balls and gets out. Mahendra scores 14 runs in 19 balls and sent back to the pavilion, and Ravindra scores 9 runs in 16 balls. Who scored fastest and who was the slowest? Now we can consider who is fastest and who is slowest. So you can see first run rate of Dhirendra. First one is Dhirendra. Now we want to find the run rate of Dhirendra. Is equal to 19 runs out of 25 balls. So we get it is 0.76, and the run rate of next one is Mahendra. The run rate of Mahendra. It is 14 runs in 19 balls. That is the 14th run in 19 balls. So we get it is 0.73. Now for the run rate of Ravindra. The run rate of Ravindra. Run rate of Ravindra, that is the 9 runs in 16 balls. So 9 upon 16. So we get 0.56. You can see here. Run rate of Dhirendra, that is the 0.76. Run rate of Mahendra, that is the 0.73. And run rate of Ravindra, that is the 0.56. Who is fastest? Fastest is Dhirendra. So it is your fastest. And it is your lowest and slowest. Slowest is Ravindra, this one, and fastest is Dhirendra. So your answer is fastest is Dhirendra and the slowest is Ravindra. So you can write the answers. Now come to the second case. What happened in second case? In a 100-meter race, Ram runs at a speed of 12 km per hour, leaving Shyam 5 meters behind. What was the Shyam speed? Yes, for Ram. It is for Ram. What will be happen? The distance is given as 100. The distance is given as 100 meters. And speed is given as it is 12 km per hour. It is 12 km per hour. Now it may be changed into meter per second. So how can change? So 12 upon 12 into 5 upon 18. It is 5 upon 18. It will be changed into kilometer per second, kilometer per hour. So 6 2 ja and 6 3 ja. It becomes 10 by 3 kilometer per hour. It is the speed. It is meter per second, not kilometer per hour. It is in meter per second. Yes. Now we want to find the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is given of 100 and the speed is given as 10 by 3. So 0 will cancel to 0. So we get 30 second. 30 second. This time also takes by the second candidate. So second candidate, that is the Syam. So we can consider for the Syam. Syam distance is equal to 100 minus 5, that is 95 meters. And time, that is the 30 second. Now we can find the speed. It is equal to distance upon time. It is 95 upon 30, but it is in meter per second. Now find into kilometer per second. So 95 upon 30, it is multiplied by 18 by 5 to change into kilometer per hour. So 5 19 ja and 6 5 ja and here is 6 3 ja. So it is 57 upon 5 and that becomes 11.4 kilometer per hour. So that is your answer. It is the speed of Syam. Now third question, number third, it is for your homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the fifth question. Fourth question, that is Mahesh cut a paddy crops in 12 days and Gayatri cut same crops in 9 days. How many days would be needed to cut crops if they both work together? How can do this type of question? Let which one? Let Mahesh cuts 12 days, that is the x. X is given as 12 days. Okay, now y is given as 9 days. And we want to know the both cut together, that is the P, and it is your question mark. So come to the next page. This one, x is 12 days, y is 9 days, and both together can cut in P days. So how can do this question? First, they can work in 1 day is equal. So 1 upon x in 1 day, 1 upon y in 1 day. So both of them together, so 1 upon P. So 1 upon x is 12 plus 1 upon y is 9 is equal to 1 upon P. Taking their LCM, LCM is 36 and here is 12 3 ja and 9 4 ja. So 1 upon P. So it is 7 upon 36 is equal to P. So we can say P is equal to, it is 1 upon P. So P is equal to 36 divided by 7. 7 5 ja 35 and 1 upon 7. Itne days. So that is your answer. They can do in 5 and 1/7 days together when they work together. So that is the answer. Question number 5th. It is for your homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the next questions. Now question number 6, and that is the last question of this exercise. So we can do very well. It's here. Now see, Sanjay and Savita. Sanjay and Savita together complete a task in 16 days. Sanjay takes 24 days to complete the task when was alone. How many days will Shiva takes to complete the task when he work alone? Okay, now come to complete this question. Sanjay and Shiva together complete task in 16 days. That means it is your P is given as 16 days. And what about to this? Sanjay takes 24 days. That is the X is equal to 24 days. And the next one is Shiva, that is the Y. So you can calculate it. So your formula is 1 upon X plus 1 upon Y is equal to 1 upon P. In that case, you can do this question very well. So 1 upon X, that is the 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon Y is equal to 1 upon P, that is the 1 upon 16. So 1 upon Y is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 25. Taking their LCM. How much LCM? Yes, now taking their LCM. So 1 upon Y is equal to LCM is 400 and is 25 minus 16. So it becomes 9 upon 400. So Y is equal to 400 divided by 9. So 9 4 ja, once again 4 ja, 4 remainders, and it's 9 days. So that is your answer. I think this exercise will be completed. Now we can do the homework at home. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है. इसका मतलब यह है कि आप लोग बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन करेंगे और जो कुछ नहीं आता है वो आप लोगों को पूछना है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बना के कोशिश करूँगा भेजने की. मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें. जिन बच्चों के पास नहीं पहुंच पा रहा उनको शेयर भी करने शुरू करें आप लोग. मैं RS प्रसाद, आप लोगों को पता है भली भांति, और कोशिश करनी है जब तक लॉकडाउन है तब तक आप लोग अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट करते रहिए. और जैसे ही ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं क्वेश्चन कोशिश करूँगा बताने की. फिर भी जो कुछ रह जाएंगे वो क्लास खुलने पे मैं आपको कंप्लीट करके दूंगा, या फिर आप लोग व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू भी पूछ सकते हैं 1 by 1 क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.